Catlink just gifted me their Scooper SE litter box. This is one impressive automatic box. It is way smaller than most automatic boxes with a large 70-liter drum, and the drum is very smartly designed. The trash bin is actually connected inside the drum itself, so it doesn't have any possible way for a kitty to get pinched, as there are 0 possible pinch points. It also has all the safety features you want to see in a box. Really smart app, fantastic all around. And on top of the box, Catlink gifted me their ramp or stairway that you can use for this box. So I want to take this out of the box and put it to the test. And here's what it looks like. This is great. On the bottom, it has some really nice large rubber feet. On the back side, it has these soft rubber foam pieces. And then of course, this opens up completely. As catching litter is really what this is primarily for. It's going to keep the front of this box so much cleaner, but it's also really lovely because it fits so perfectly with the Scooper SE. That's a very clean experience, and it gives your cat that nice little step, so it's a lovely little walk into the box and walk out instead of any jump at all. Now the Scooper SE already has a really low entry, but this just makes it a little more inviting for your kitty and just a little nicer all around. I am so impressed with this step stool and this litter box. If you've been looking at this set, I highly recommend it. I think you're gonna love it.